Hello student, this is a lecture for BSc third year student. In the last lecture we were studied what is meant by the differences table and some terms related to difference. So now today we are going to discuss actual problems of difference of table. So I am taking one example. So that is the example, construct a difference table from the following values of x and y. So see here, x are the independent entries and y are the independent entries. Because y is defined in terms of x. What is the y? Y is nothing but the reciprocal of x. That means if your x is 1, then y is 1 by 1. If your x is 2, then y is 1 by 2. If your x is 3, then y is 1 by 3, and so on. So values, all these values are given. Values of x and values of y given. Only you have to make just a difference table. You have to make just difference table. No calculatory part is there to find out the corresponding value. So here if x is equal to 3.0, that means 3, then y is 1 by x, that means 1 upon 3, and 1 upon 3 calculation is 0.333. When x is equal to 3.1, we get the y is 1 by 3.1, that is 0.322 this. When x is equal to 3.2, then we get the 0.31250. When x is equal to 3.3, then we get this. When x is equal to 3.4, then we get, and so on. So student, in examination, actually this is numerical method is a paper which is a completely dependent on calculation. So in examination, you can use, it is allowed that student can use scientific calci. Only scientific calci is allowed in examination. Not digital watch, some other electronics apparatus is not allowed. Only you can use scientific calculator, because these are the very lengthy calculation. 3, 1 upon 3, find value, we have to find actual value, and that's why you must use scientific calculator. So dear student, the first differences are obtained by subtracting each entry from the next entry. Second difference is obtained by carrying out the similar of the subtractions of the first differences, and so on. And we can find out the difference table as follows. Now I am going to arrange the difference table. So this is the arguments, that means values of x. Values of x. This is the entry. So values of y is nothing but 1 by x. Now we firstly write these all things. So first x is 3.0 and its corresponding value is 0.3333. After x is 3.1 and its corresponding value is 0.32258. Then next value is 3.2 and its value is 0.31250. Next is 3.3, its value is 0.30303. Next value is 3.4 and value is 0.2942. So these all are independent variable, and these are the dependent variable, and we get the entries and arguments for that corresponding function. Now we have to find the differences. So students, here I am going to find first difference. First difference. How to calculate it? It is denoted by delta f of x. And delta f of x is nothing but difference between these two terms. And difference between these two terms is minus 0.1075. You can verify yourself by using the scientific calci, because my calculation may wrong. So you do yourself. Next difference between these two, that is minus 0.01. No, there is also 1 0, 0.1008. Next difference is, that means this minus this minus this. So we get, see here, this difference is nothing but 0.30303 minus 0.31250. And what is this difference? This difference is nothing but minus 0.0947. Similarly, difference between these two is minus 0.00891 in this way. So this is first difference. Now we can calculate second difference. And second difference denoted by delta square f of x. Delta square f of x is the difference between these two terms, difference between these two terms, and difference between these two terms. We get three terms. So first is 0.000067. Next is 0.00061. Next point 0.00056. After that, third difference. We have to find third difference. Third difference is nothing but difference between these two. That is minus 0.00006, and here minus 0.00005. And last difference is fourth difference. See here, fourth difference. What is fourth difference? Between the 0.12341. So we here observe that there was 5 terms given. So fourth difference is constant. See here, in table there are 5 values given, 1 2 3 4 5. There was 5 terms given. So we get fourth difference constant. If 7 values given, so will be sixth difference constant, and so on. If we take the again fifth difference, so fifth difference must be 0, because term subtracted from itself, and we get the 0. So dear student, in notebook there are some more examples are given. You can do this on yourself. So today we stop it here. In next lecture we will discuss very important theorem. We will discuss in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.